and then I'm going to say, what I mean is that in Africa that we have been living in, especially we the Ghanaians, we have spiritual leaders in Ghana and we have spiritual masters in Ghana. But what I want some people to understand about spiritual issues, when they say spirit, can you give me the meaning of spirit? Spirit is something like his hair. Nobody can see hair with his eyes. The way you cannot see hair, the way wind was blowing, you cannot see hair inside your house. The same time you cannot see spirit. My brothers and sisters, what I want everybody to open in mind and hear what I'm saying. In Africa, northern region, we are almost 200 or 300 Malams. But I thank God about what God did for me in ending of 2016. This is the award that I get for my work. Because I trust myself. Almost 300 people, everybody needs to get that kind of award. But God said, this boy, you chief of Boafo, you are Obuafo today, you are Obuafo tomorrow. Even in heaven, you are Obuafo. You can lead the spiritual, those who call themselves spiritual leaders. Even in heaven, you can lead them. I believe myself I can lead any spiritual man in northern region in Africa here. Because in ending 2016, I collected the award. Now, I want people to understand something about spirit. Spirit is something like this one and this one. You put them together, it will turn to something. But some people doesn't know what called spirit. They think that go and get a fowl and just kill it and throw it. No. This land that we have been working on it was breathing like the way human being was breathing. But if you don't have eye to see, you can't know. The way you are stepping your legs on the land, you're walking on it. Any one leg, before you raise your leg, no, there is something that will talk inside your leg before that you step on the ground. But if you don't have eye to see, you don't have spirit, you don't have powers, you cannot know what the land was saying. This land, we have been working on it. We have been eating on it. Every day and night. We have been giving the land its food to eat. When I give this land what he wants, the same thing to the land will give me what I want. If you are a spiritual man, I'm not talking against you. If you call yourself a spiritual master, I'm not talking against you. In this world we are living in. Before that you should do something. Every day I'm saying, somebody do it before you to come and do it. My brothers and sisters, if my advice to any person that is in this world, my advice to my mothers and my fathers and my junior brothers, please, we know there is something called spiritual money. What called spiritual money is there really. But I am advising my mothers and my sisters. This our work is not a small work. This our work is not children work. This our work can do everything in this world. My mothers and sisters, everybody to let in mind to come on me. This year 17 that we have been entering, if you follow my rules, you follow what I told you, 17 is yours. If you want to be rich in year 2017, never take any man contact on the telly. Take my contact on telly. And your life and your destiny, it will change for you. What are you waiting for? What are you suffering for? If the same money, real cash, you want dollars, run and come to me. I am the only person who was holding the key to comment any country money that you want. Brother, the work, the business that we have been doing, people doesn't understand. There's a lot of people in Ghana here deceiving people, collecting people property. My brothers and sisters, when somebody see, don't say that we all are the same. We all are not the same. I believe myself and I believe what I can do. I know that if I die, I am going to where? When I cheat you, judgment day, I'll pay your money for you. I don't need your anything. Listen to me. When you want to take a rich man, I can let you turn to a rich man. But there are some people, they are not thinking about how to turn to someone. I want people to know that money can control everybody in this world. Money, he can control everybody in this world. If not because of money, who will come and follow you? Nobody will come and follow you. Not because of your beauty or because of your something. Because of what you have. Everybody will bring himself. I want this 2017 that we have been entering. Everybody who was serious about his business, who wanted to be rich, who wanted to turn to billionaire, he should run and come to me. I am the only person can let the person's life to change for him. What I want people to know, there are some items that we have been using. You know, the gods know, they are not eating normal food like we human beings are eating. You know, we human beings, we are taking drinks, we are taking rice, we are taking any kind of food. But the gods know, they have the kind of, when we have some perfumes, those perfumes that we have been adding with some things, before that we give to the gods, before that the gods also will do what? Will give us what we want. When they brought the perfume, it's like this. The way this come was, it has seen. The same thing where the perfume is. So when they came and reach Ghana here, they will find any bottles at all and fill inside the perfume inside. Before that we have been selling it. But there are some people who say that we are not watching about the bottle that we use for the weapon. We are watching about the perfume that they inside the bottle. If the perfume is our problem, not be the bottle that we have been watching for. So somebody will come, they will go and buy the things and come and do it. Say, oh, this bottle is what? No. Don't talk about that, but talk about the reason why you have come for. I know a lot of people have came to me. Some succeeded, and then some also did not succeed. But any person that who came to me, he said that he did not succeeded, and the person doesn't follow the route that I told him. My brother, you said that you have a house, or you have a car. Remember that every day the car, you buy petrol and put inside. If you don't have some business that was bringing money to you, one day that car, it will park at one place. My advice with you, there is a way to find money. Don't sit in the house. Don't listen about what pastors are saying. If you follow the pastors, one day, you will sit down and cry. If you know the road where they pass today, you will not, if they call you come to church, even one day you will not even step your leg inside the church. But I did not come here to talk about somebody. I came here to talk about my business. Because my business is important than everybody in this world. Because I respected myself. I respected the business that I'm doing. So nobody can cross my business. Whether rain or shine, is my business. So every day and night, in the morning, I have the food that I'm giving to my gods. In the afternoon, I have the food that I'm giving to my gods. And the evening too, I have the food that in a day, I am feeding my spirit 3 times for a day. I am feeding my spirit. So when you know that you are serious about what you have been doing, my brother, run and come to me, and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. If you need money, we have means and ways to pass, and then you get the money. It's not only coming, maybe you will call money instantly and give it to you, so that we have different type of roles. We will fit pass, and you turn to rich man. We have the one that we can do it for you inside Calabash. Every week, he can give you money like 200 million for a week. That's $5,000. In a week, you can get like $5,000 in a week. The thing can work like maybe 9 months before the thing will start working. It will stop working. And then we have the one that you can come. We can call the man like maybe $2 billion for you. That one is instantly $2 billion. If you don't need the money into dollars, I can get the one who can come and change the money in front of you, and you can take the money to the bank and save the money through inside your account before that going back. There are some people that give me some reports that they went to some place, they give them money before they should reach to the house, the money turned to papers. My brother, never. That's why I want that you should listen to me. Before that you should come to me, try and create accounts. Before, listen to them. We are saying that you people should create accounts. No. Account is something like it's safe. When you come, when we finish everything, you can take the money and go and save it inside your accounts. That one, and even though you want that only your transport and go back, armed robber cannot attack you on the way. You will not take the thing to your house and say that the thing attend to something different. My brothers and sisters, when you come to me, I wanted to watch everything. If you have dirty on your body, I will clean the dirty on you. Before that, I will enter inside the work. So when you know that you are serious, like the way I'm serious about my business, my brother, never sit in the house and say that just because of you travel to some place, you not get what you want. You will say that somebody will use in money 200 million and do papers, visa, and travel to America. When he was landing in the airport, they will deport the person and come back. What about that one? But upon all that, never say that God doesn't like you. We all, even a mad person, God like him. A mad person, he was not working, but he will eat afternoon and eat morning and eat evening. What about you? You are in your senses. You know the rules and ways and you pass and get money. And you are saying that just because of I traveled and went here, I did not get what I want. It means there's no medicine in the world. There is a medicine in the world. There is a spirit. When they say medicine, we have different type of medicine. Not the hospital medicine, not that one. Injection will not be that one. We have something called spirit. That spirit, we can give it to you. It's like hair. The way everybody, you can put it inside your store. Nobody will see it. Every day, it was bringing people to you. They will be buying the things day and night. Day and night, the money also was becoming. And then we have some chop balls that will be, it's a nail one. We'll do it for you. When you are putting the money inside, the money, whenever you are putting the money, the same thing, the money also was coming day and night. The money was coming. You don't know where the money was passing coming. So that's why God created air. And God created different water. And then we have different type of water. But when we say we have different type of water, all the waters are pure white. But when you fill this water and fill this one, put them together, they cannot combine together. Because the water, no, there is something underground inside the water. It's a spirit. Our grandfathers, those who do the thing, but if you don't have eyes, you cannot see. Until those who have eyes, they can see. When you know that you have a problem about money issue, you are facing problem about spiritual marriage, you are facing problem about your business, you are facing problem about your travel issue, my brother, never waste time. Never waste time. Run away and come to me. You locate me in Tamale. I have one branch in Tamale, one branch in Salaga. When you take my contact on the screen and call me, I will show. If I am Salaga, I will let you know. If I am Tamale, I will let you know. This is the one that I collected 2016 ending. So all the spiritual men in Northern region, everybody raise your hand. Obuafo will leave everything for you. It's not that maybe, and then them themselves they know. So my brother, never sit at one place and say that there's no money or there's no spirit. We have money in Ghana, and we still have money in Ghana, and we still have money in Ghana. When you want to take to a rich man, I can take 2 days and let your life to change for you. So take my contact on the screen and call me, and your life and your destiny to change for you. Who can try for Ghana here? This one is not about computer editing. Look at something. Who can try? Power for Haiza. Come from India. I commend you to wherever to come right now. Some people to let everybody to let in mind to come on me. What are you waiting for, my brother? Run away and come to me and your life and your destiny. What are you suffering for? It's about money, dollars, pounds, cedis. Run and come to me and collect what belongs to you. Never let 419 marriage to deceive you so that they are not spiritual in the world. Chief of war for the whole Nigeria region. Nobody who will fit try. run and come to me, and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. This one, I just showed the world small thing to see. They should know that. Never say that. Maybe there is a lot of spiritual people. They are thinking about what they will eat today. They are not thinking about tomorrow. We are looking for today and tomorrow. When you come to me, your life and your destiny, it will change for you. When you refuse to come to me, you went to somebody, a person will go and deceive you and collect your property. I am the only one who was holding the key. The key or it's okay.